Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Britney Spears Oracle, a deck and guidebook to be stronger than yesterday. This is absolutely adorable. So this is published by RP Studios, so Running Press, retailing for $18 in the US and $23 in Canada. So Queen Britney offers inspiration in all of her most fabulous forms with this Oracle deck and guidebook. The set includes 40 vibrantly illustrated Oracle cards celebrating the superstar in her most iconic moments, from music videos, stage performances, and more. Companion guidebook providing the backstory of each oracle and a dose of inspiration. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, let's open it up. So it is a magnet. And here is the guidebook that slides out. And then in this pocket, we have the cards. All right. So the guidebook here, let's take a peek. So this is by Kara Nesvig, and it's illustrated by Helen Green. All right. Just talking about Britney. And then I think it just, yep, it goes into the cards. Awesome. Oh my gosh, and it's color. So that's exciting. I just want to see if there is any, no spreads. Okay. All right, let me unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the back of the cards. Really pretty, like a floral pattern, almost kind of reminding me of a bandana. And they are matte. Yay, love that. Let's take a peek at the cardstock. Oh! They're actually thicker than what I would have thought. Okay, so they're not on the thick side, but they aren't paper thin. So for $18, I'm already here for this. This is great quality for that. And they're not like a super wide Oracle card either. So that's nice for people with smaller hands. So yay, already I'm here for this. Love it. We have the title down below. It might be hard to read on camera, so that's the artist. The badass. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't call myself like a Britney Spears super fan, but I grew up with Britney Spears. I love her. The Beach Babe. Oh my gosh, the infamous denim dress. Blue Jean Queen. Boho Babe. Bubblegum Brit. It's not from You Drive Me Crazy. The Cusp. The Dancer. Oh my gosh, the jazz shoes. The Fashionista. I like the art style too. The Femme Fatale. Iconic. The Flight Attendant. Just iconic. Fitness Fan. Aww. Forest Fairy. Goddess. The Graphic Tee. Halftime Superstar. Little Star. Oh, this was when she was on, the Talent Search or whatever that show was. Oh my gosh. Living legend. Absolutely. The Lucky Star. Masterpiece. The mother. Movie star. Oh my gosh, Curious. I loved this perfume. I thought it was the coolest design for a perfume bottle too. Princess of Pop. The Professional. And I know I'm reading off the titles of the cards, but it's just so you guys can get it because I don't think it's going to show up on camera. The Rebel. Record Breaker. Oh my gosh. The Ringleader. Oh, those boots. Iconic. The Schoolgirl. I don't remember this one. The Seeker. Oh. The Showstopper. Isn't that her Satisfaction one? The Siren. That was such a cool costume. Infamous. Yes. The Snake Charmer. Space Princess. I had that dance down to a degree when that music video came out. Oh my gosh. The Spotlight. The Starlet. These are so fun. The Strong Woman. Trailblazer. The Visionary. And the last card, the Yogi. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Not an issue. Oh, I guess we're reading for that one. Yeah, not an issue shuffling. I think they're just fine. They have a tendency to bend because I squeeze when I shuffle like this. But they'll snap back just fine. Okay, so we're going to read for the Visionary. Was there a table of contents? Yes, there was. Okay, so page 81. Love a table of contents. It just makes life so much easier. Okay. So it says, as her fame grew, Britney began to rebel against the constraints of her career. She even wrote a song, Overprotected, about it. And its message of feeling confined became something of a signature for Britney. She was no longer a girl, not yet a woman, and there was so much world out there to explore. What am I doing with my life? She sings, answering herself with, you will find out, don't worry. The Visionary knows that the world is hers for the taking and that she's brave enough to stand up for herself and take a chance on the unknown. Channel your inner visionary when you, too, need time, space, joy, and love. I love this deck so much. I think this is great for beginners. I think it's great to start out if you are have no idea where to even begin with an Oracle deck, but you absolutely are a Britney Spears stan. This is a great start. It's very easy to use, very easy to read with. The keywords are there, especially if you put in context of, her music video or why she wore this outfit or how it relates to Britney. If you know Britney Spears, you can probably understand the Oracle without even using the guidebook. So I'm really excited about this. I think it's beautifully done. I think the artwork is gorgeous, and the price tag, you really can't beat that for 40 cards. The quality is really nice too. I mean, it's not, super high quality, but it's going to last. It's going to hold up. I love that it's matte. I love that there's, both the outfits and then her in them too. So there's kind of it's broken up to where it's not just, oh my God, Britney Spears everywhere. Not that that would be a bad thing, but it helps the eye a little bit. It gives something else to focus on too. So I think this is great. It'd be fantastic for a daily pull. It'd be fantastic to pull for like, what do I need to work on today? What do I need to embody today? All of those things. It might help you, build up your self-confidence too. So honestly, a really awesome deck. I was going into this with zero expectations, but I think it's very fun. And like I said, if you're a Britney Spears fan, I think that this would be awesome. Or even to gift it to someone that is a Britney Spears fan. This is awesome. So as always, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Is this something that you're excited about? Have you been waiting on it? Or is this a pass from you because you're not, a dedicated Britney Spears fan? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I enjoy reading all of your comments. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you and I like you. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.